Alright guys, so my box arrived, and there it is. Welcome to OneBlade, Philips Norelco. It's not quite like the one you see in the store, but there it is. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to shave right away, if it's fully charged. Comes with some, comes with OneBlade. That's all it's in here. Looks pretty simple. Tooltip to trim, edge, and shave with OneBlade. So this is all you get. You get the charging plug, you get the device. It's got a little bit of weight to it, good cool rubber green grip on the side. You get a discount coupon, you get a little booklet, and you get the OneBlade and 3 combs. Okay, so we're gonna do this tomorrow because it takes 8 hours to charge, and it says fully charge it before using it. So we will continue tomorrow. Here's something that people mention. There's no charging light on this, right? That I can see anywhere. The only charging light is over here, right there, and it's green. So I don't know how to tell if it's fully charged or not. We're gonna wait till tomorrow and see if it changes. Okay guys, this is so tiny. Look how tiny this is. It is a tiny little blade. And there it is right there. It's attached. It's still kind of small, but we shall see tomorrow. Okay, so there it is, your 3 combs, 1mm, 3mm, and 5mm guards. That's the length you want your goatee or beard or whatever. And this is just a cover for your OneBlade when you're not using it. Man, I'm looking really bad. Look at that. All right, so this is gonna get clean shaved. That's gonna get trimmed off. This is gonna get cut down. Let's bring it on right now. Oh wait, was that? Yeah, the green charge light's still on. It doesn't tell you if it's charged or not. It's charged. Okay, here we go, ready? Take a look here. This is just a straight clean shave right there. That's pretty good. And you don't feel anything. You just feel it touching your skin. Literally, you don't feel anything. See the sideburns I want to cut down. So, I wonder how long that stays charged. So let me get the guard. Okay, so I've got the guard on now. It just snaps right on. And now we're going to try it again. Here we go. We're going to do my sideburns. So let's see how that works. I guess you go upward. Yeah. Yeah, it looks, can't see it on my glasses. Perfect. 1mm right there. Isn't that beautiful? Might as well do the other side. Here we go. But you got to go upward, it looks like. Can you do it the other way? No, you got to go upward. I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to do my goatee. I want to do my goatee at a 2. I mean, at a 3mm, sorry. All right, so you can see the goatee? It's like really close here, not trimmed here. It doesn't pull the hair or nothing. It doesn't catch or nick it at all. Wow. All right, I'm taking the guard off again. I just want to clean up really quick around here. Nice, you got it all. There's some really fine neck hairs that I have trouble with, and this seems to have grasped them. Look how clean this side is. Well, that's it. So there it is. It's called OneBlade by Philips Norelco. I got it on sale for 26 bucks, normally $35. And I give it a big thumbs up, guys. I haven't used it for a long period of time. I may do an update video to see how long it lasts. The charging issue is a bummer because you should really see, there should be a light on this that tells you it needs to be charged again. So I'm just gonna always keep it plugged in as always. I will keep using this, And they do have replacement blades. After a while, you gotta replace that piece right there, of course. That's how they make their money. That's it, Tech Nation. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.